Find Ring, lock and erase any lost Android device. Find My Device helps you locate your lost Android and lock it until you get it back. Features: see your phone, tablet, or watch on a map. If current location isn't available, you'll see the last known location. Use indoor maps to help you to find your device in airports, shopping centers, or other large buildings. Navigate to your device with Google Maps by tapping the device location, and then the Maps icon. Play a sound at full volume even if your device is on silent. Erase the device or lock it with a custom message and contact number on lock screen.